Activating objects in SAP might sound technical, but don't worry, it's simpler than it seems. First, know the basics. Understanding SAP Object Activation is crucial. Then follow the structured steps for a smooth process. Be aware of challenges like errors, but don't let them phase you. We'll discuss solutions. Finally, stick around for some handy tips that will make activation feel like a breeze. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Welcome to SAP Object Activation, a cornerstone for smooth SAP workflows. In this journey, we'll explore what activation is and why it's vital. We'll glance at its functionalities that improve operations, and I'll show you how it boosts performance efficiency. By the end, you'll see why activation is your best friend, not a scary monster. Time to delve into the fascinating world of SAP Object Types. Think of them as different pieces of a puzzle, each unique yet vital. I'll guide you through their characteristics and functions. By understanding these, you'll appreciate their role in creating a well-oiled SAP system. Stay tuned, it's about to get exciting. Why is object activation such a big deal? Simple, without it, objects won't function properly in SAP. Activation ensures seamless links between objects and workflows. It's like oiling the gears for smoother operations. Plus, it boosts efficiency and keeps errors at bay. A win-win, wouldn't you agree? Let's break down the activation process into bite-sized steps. First, prep yourself with all the prerequisites. Think of it like a checklist. Then dive into the activation steps. Don't forget to conduct post-activation checks to verify success. Lastly, keep a record. It's your golden ticket for next time. Activation without preparation is like cooking without ingredients, chaotic. Gather the info you need and ensure proper permissions. Check if the system is compatible with what you're about to do. Lastly, resolve all dependencies beforehand to avoid hiccups. Trust me, a little prep goes a long way. Here's the game plan for activation. Start by accessing the activation interface. Then follow the steps as directed. This is your roadmap. Keep an eye on the status to ensure everything runs smoothly. If problems pop up, don't panic, stay calm and troubleshoot effectively. Transaction codes might sound intimidating, but they're actually your best allies. I'll introduce you to key codes and show you how to use them. Using these codes speeds up the process and simplifies tasks. Let's demystify those commonly used codes together. Manual vs. automated activation. Think of it like driving a car or taking a self-driving one. I'll explain both methods so you understand their strengths and limitations. This way, you can pick the right method tailored to your needs. Let's dive into the debate, shall we? Activation challenges. They're like unexpected speed bumps but totally manageable. I'll highlight common issues and why they happen. Then we'll cover how to troubleshoot them effectively. By the end, you'll be a pro at preventing these errors in future activations. Activating objects isn't just pushing buttons. It's like tuning a car engine for peak performance. When done right, it speeds things up, cuts down resource waste, and ensures your system doesn't choke under pressure. A sluggish system isn't fun for anyone, so let's make it sharp and snappy. Activating custom objects in SAP is like customizing your workspace. Make it fit your needs. But careful tweaks are key. A configuration must be spot on. Tests ensure smooth sailing, and documentation saves your future self from frustration. Think of it as leaving breadcrumbs for when you need to retrace your steps. Giving authorization isn't just handing out keys, it's making sure they fit the right locks. Users get access, but not more than they should. Roles ensure smooth teamwork and logs keep everyone accountable. It's all about security without slowing things down. Think of best practices as a checklist for success, skip them and chaos lurks. Follow standard procedures, check dependencies like puzzle pieces fitting together, and monitor the system to catch any surprises early. And please document everything. Your future self will thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.